In the beginning you spoke and it was. Heaven and earth obeyed your cause. From the dust you formed my frame, Elohim, forever the same.
When my heart is void and torn, you bring light where night is worn. Heart arises from despair, Élédá, you're always there. Elohim, Élédá, my Creator divine. Speak your word and make all things alive. From the ashes, beauty you restore. Elohim, Creator, forevermore.
Chaos trembles at your voice. Mountains bow, seas rejoice. Every breath declares your reign, Élédá, exalted name.